Keema bartender at Century House in Woodstock. Welcome you back into my home here. I'll show you how to make a few more cocktails today. So today we're gonna be making a Rude Cosmo and a Maker's Manhattan. First thing you're gonna need for the Rude Cosmo, it's your favorite tequila. I like my Patron. Triple sec, your choice. A lime, shot of cranberry juice, some ice, a glass. That's it. To start this party off, go ahead and throw your cranberry in there. Add your ice cubes. I typically do a little more than just a shot. Depends on how strong you like your drinks. I'll typically do about a shot and a half. Moving on to your triple sec, I recommend about half a shot. Pour that in there. You're gonna take 2 lime wedges and just go ahead and throw those babies on in there. They're gonna add a little bit of flavor to that drink for you. Give it a good shake. Once again, if you don't have the materials to do shaking and you just got a regular pint glass, that works too. Mix all your ingredients in 1 glass. Pour. Take a spoon or whatnot, give it a good stir. If you don't have a shaker, add your lime for a garnish. Cheers! Rude Cosmo, baby. Alright, so this next drink goes out to all my bourbon lovers. Or rye, whichever tickles your pickle. So this is just gonna be a traditional Manhattan. A lot of folks love my little take on it. I've got a special little trick that I put in there. It's not really that big of a secret, but people love it. You're just gonna start with your pint glass, a little bit of ice in there. Grab your favorite bourbon. I just happen to really love this Redhead Maker's right here. We're gonna go ahead and do 2 healthy shots of her. You're gonna get your favorite vermouth. I personally enjoy this brand, Dolan, but to each his own. If you whatever you might have at your home. Go ahead and do a healthy shot, sweet vermouth. Put that in there. Angostura bitters. So this, if you don't have it, it's not necessary. And if you do have it, go easy. It can easily overpower your drink. So just give you a little 1, 2, and then my little secret. Some cherries, maraschino with that. Get you a healthy scoop of that syrup. Pour that in there. Do it while nobody's looking. Give it a nice little stir. And you're gonna wanna stir it for roughly 20, 30 seconds. When you are all done, take your glass, strain it. Go back to those fabulous cherries. Put 1, maybe 2 in there. They're always a nice little treat afterwards. They've been soaking. They've been marinating in that great bourbon you got. You have yourself a delicious Manhattan. Cheers. But if we're being real, what I really want to drink